Alright, this is what I got so far. Now, so far the most complicated things I have here are the DHT humidity sensor and the liquid crystal display. But if you go over here on the examples, you can see in the liquid crystal right over here, all these examples over here where it'll show you each code, what it does, and you can learn how to maneuver, how to work with the liquid crystal. And same thing with the DHT sensor. If you scroll down on the examples, you'll find the DHT sensor library over here. And if you open up the tester, you'll see all the codes that I'm going to show you down here. Over here, as you can see. Now all you do is you make up a variable, and then you store the value that the library over here, the DHT library, will collect the information from the DHT sensor and store it into your variable. Now you can get either the humidity, temperature, or the temperature and humidity index, the heat index. And as you see, I display it all over here on the rest of the loop.